Question based on Nigerian foreign policies. Question 1. What is the primary focus of Nigerian foreign policy? A. Military alliances with global powers. B. Promoting African unity and independence. C. Expanding territorial boundaries. D. Isolationism from international affairs. The correct answer to this question is option B, promoting African unity and independence. Question 2. Which regional organization was co-founded by Nigeria in 1975 to promote economic integration in West Africa? A. African Union. B. Economic Community of West African States, ECOWAS. C. Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, OPEC. D. Southern African Development Community. The correct answer to this question is ECOWAS, option B. Question 3. Nigerian foreign policy during the Cold War was characterized by A. Alignment with the United States. B. Non-alignment and neutrality. C. Active participation in the Warsaw Pact. D. Colonization of neighboring states. The correct answer to this question is option B, non-alignment and neutrality. Question 4. Nigeria's Afrocentric policy was most evident in its support for A. The apartheid regime in South Africa. B. Liberation movements in Southern Africa. C. European colonial interest in Africa. D. Military dictatorship in Latin America. The correct answer to question 4 is liberation movements in Southern Africa. Question 5. The concentric circle. The concentric circle theory in Nigeria's foreign policy prioritizes A. Global alliances over regional interest. B. National interest, followed by West Africa, followed by Africa and the global community. C. Religious diplomacy as a core focus. D. Military expansion into neighboring countries. The correct answer to question 5 is option B, national interest, followed by West Africa, Africa, and the global community. Question 6. Nigeria's contribution to peacekeeping in Liberia and Sierra Leone was primarily through A. the United Nations Security Council. B. the ECOWAS Monetary Group, ECOMOG. C. the African Union Standby Force. D. bilateral agreements with France. The correct answer to this question is option B, ECOMOG. Question 7. In which year was ECOWAS established? Of course, ECOWAS. We have 1960, 1975, 1980, 1999. The correct answer to question 7 is option B, 1975. Question 8. The Citizen Diplomacy Initiative under President Umaru Yar'Adua emphasized A. military interventions abroad. B. prioritizing the welfare of Nigerians globally. C. expanding colonial territories. D. promoting cultural assimilation of other nations. The correct answer to question 8 is option B, prioritizing the welfare of Nigerians globally. Question 9. Nigeria played a key role in the formation of the Organization of African Unity, OAU, as A. a founding member in 1963, B. a late member in 1980, C, a non-participating observer, and D, a critic of the organization's goals. The correct answer to question 9 is option A, a founding member in 1963. Question 10, which is the last question for this segment, is which Nigerian leader championed economic diplomacy to attract foreign investment in the 2000s? A. General Sani Abacha. B. President Olusegun Obasanjo. C. General Yakubu Gowon. D. President Goodluck Jonathan. The correct answer to this question is option B. President Olusegun Obasanjo. Thank you for joining me in this segment. Please, for intensive tutorial and detailed explanation to each of these questions, you can contact the management of Akai Tutors on 08038644328. Thank you.